What if I told you that you hold the key to unlock profound mystical states of consciousness right now within your own body? This isn't a key you have to find, buy, or earn. It's an innate part of your human biology, a hidden potential for deep healing and self-discovery that has been waiting patiently within your very cells. A doorway to the vast, unexplored universe that exists inside of you. The experiences it can unlock are so extraordinary that many have compared them to journeys with powerful psychedelics like DMT. We're talking about vivid, geometric visuals unfolding behind your closed eyes, a profound sense of emotional release, and a dissolution of the ordinary boundaries of time and self. But here is the crucial difference. This is not a substance you ingest. It is a technique you learn. The entire experience is generated from within, a completely natural and organic process. You are activating your own internal pharmacy, proving that the most powerful chemistry for transformation already resides within your own body. This technique is a specific, powerful form of breathwork. Your breath is the bridge between your conscious and unconscious worlds, the remote control for your nervous system. By intentionally changing the rhythm and depth of your breathing, you can directly influence your brain waves, your body chemistry, and your state of consciousness, opening a direct line of communication to the deepest parts of your mind. All of this, using nothing more than the air you breathe. If you feel the call to journey inward, to meet yourself on a deeper level, and to explore the incredible landscape of your own consciousness, then stay with me. But before we embark, our first and most important step is to create a foundation of absolute safety. So please listen to this next part with your full attention. This is a potent practice that can induce significant physiological changes and altered states of awareness. Because it is so effective, it must be treated with respect and care. Your safety is the #1 priority. Under no circumstances should you perform this breathwork while driving, operating machinery, swimming, or in a bath. The only place to do this is in a safe, private, and comfortable space where you can lie down flat on your back and remain completely undisturbed for the entire session. A bed or a mat on the floor is perfect. Have a blanket handy, as your body temperature can fluctuate. This practice is not suitable for everyone. Due to the significant shifts in blood pressure and internal pressure it can create, you should not participate if you are pregnant, have a history of serious heart conditions, uncontrolled high blood pressure, glaucoma, retinal detachment, epilepsy, or have had a recent major surgery. It is also not advised for those with a history of severe psychiatric conditions like psychosis or bipolar disorder. This journey is about honoring your body, not forcing it. If you have any doubt about whether this is safe for you, please pause now and consult your doctor. This practice will be here for you when the time is right. Your well-being is everything. By choosing to continue, you are acknowledging these warnings and taking full responsibility for your own safety and experience. This practice is a form of connected, circular breathing inspired by techniques like holotropic breathwork. By breathing deeply and continuously without a pause between the inhale and the exhale, you begin to change the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in your body. This can quiet the analytical thinking part of your brain, allowing your deeper awareness to come forward. It is an ancient technology for self-exploration. The goal isn't to force anything, but to simply allow the experience to unfold. Let's begin by preparing our space for the journey ahead. Find a comfortable, quiet place where you can lie down, a personal sanctuary where you will not be disturbed. This time is a gift to yourself, a moment to disconnect from the outside world and reconnect with your inner landscape. Ensure any potential distractions are taken care of, allowing you to fully surrender to the experience. Now let's tend to the body. Your physical comfort is paramount. If you feel any tension in your lower back, place a pillow under your knees for support. This small adjustment can create a profound sense of ease. You may also want a blanket to keep you warm. As we journey inward, our body temperature can fluctuate, and a blanket provides a feeling of safety and being held. When you feel ready, gently allow your eyes to close. Bring your awareness to your breath without any need to change it. Simply notice the natural rhythm of your inhales and exhales. Feel the air entering and the gentle release as you breathe out. With each breath, feel your body growing heavier, sinking deeper into the surface beneath you, letting go of the day. Now set a gentle intention for your practice. This isn't a rigid goal, but a quiet whisper to your heart, a guiding light for your journey. Perhaps you seek clarity, release, or simply peace. It could even be pure, open-hearted curiosity. Whatever it is, hold it lightly, state it silently to yourself, and then let it go, trusting the experience will bring you what you need. Before we begin, find a position where you can be completely comfortable and undisturbed. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in and a long sigh out. We will now begin the breathing. The breath is simple, a deep, full breath into your belly, feeling it expand like a balloon. Then, without pausing, continue that inhale up into your chest, feeling your heart space open. And then a relaxed, sighing exhale, letting the air simply fall out of you. There is no pause at the top or bottom. It is a continuous circular motion, like a wave washing ashore and then receding back into the ocean. I will guide you for the first few minutes to help you find the rhythm. Let's begin together now, paced with the music. Breathe in and out, deep into the belly and then up to the chest, and release in, out. Let each inhale be an act of receiving, filling yourself with life and energy, and each exhale an act of letting go, releasing anything that no longer serves you. Keep this rhythm going, deeper now, fully in, softly out. You may begin to notice sensations building in the body, perhaps a tingling in your hands and feet or a feeling of lightness. This is perfectly normal. It is simply energy beginning to move. Stay with the breath, trust the process. In, out, you're doing beautifully. In a moment, I will fade my voice out and let the music carry you on this journey. Continue this circular breath at your own pace. There is no right or wrong way to do this. Trust your body's innate wisdom to guide you. Find the rhythm that feels most natural for you now. I will join you again towards the end. For now, just breathe fully in, softly out. Gently fading back in. Gently, without changing your breath, begin to bring your awareness back to the sound of my voice. We are preparing to enter a period of stillness and integration. Together we will take 3 final, deep, conscious breaths. Make them your fullest, most intentional breaths yet, breathing in, filling all the way up, and letting go completely. Again, a deep cleansing inhale, drawing in peace, and a full release, letting go of all tension. And on this last one, breathe all the way in, fill your lungs to their absolute capacity. And then let all the air out, a full, complete exhale, and hold. Hold the breath out at the bottom. Just hold in the emptiness. Relax your body completely, let your jaw be soft, your shoulders heavy and sinking down. There is no need to breathe, your body is perfectly safe, saturated with oxygen and life force. Just be in this profound stillness. This is the space of integration, where the body and mind recalibrate. Observe the quiet. Feel the peace that resides deep within you. If thoughts or sensations arise, simply notice them as if they were clouds passing in a vast blue sky. You are the sky, vast, open, and still. Just be here in this moment of pure presence. And now, when you feel the urge, take a deep, full recovery breath all the way in. Hold it for about 15 seconds and feel that energy, that life force moving through your entire body. Then, release. Return to your normal breathing. Stay here for as long as you need. Notice how you feel. Notice the quiet. This is the integration phase. Just observe any sensations, emotions, or insights without judgment. Gently bring your awareness back to your body, to the room. This is a powerful practice to explore your own consciousness. Be gentle with yourself and be safe. Thank you for taking this journey with me today. If this guide was meaningful to you, please hit like and subscribe to Another How To Guru for more deep dives into wellness. Share your experience if you feel comfortable in the comments.